You know that phrase, "you are what you eat"? Well, when it comes to fitness, it couldn't ring more true. So, what exactly is fitness food, and why is it so important? Fitness food encompasses all those delicious and nutritious choices that fuel an active and healthy lifestyle. Think of it as the high-quality fuel needed for a high-performance car, your body. Here are some key components of fitness food. First, we have lean proteins. These guys are the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. They're hanging out in foods like chicken, turkey, fish, lean cuts of beef, tofu, and legumes. Next up are whole grains. Ever heard of complex carbohydrates? Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat are packed with them, providing sustained energy for those grueling workouts. Don't forget about fruits and vegetables. They're bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and help to reduce inflammation. Moving on to healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are rich in essential fatty acids that support overall health and provide that much-needed energy. Then we have low-fat dairy or dairy alternatives. They're great sources of calcium and protein, supporting bone health and muscle recovery. Hydration is another crucial component. Water is your best friend here, but for those longer or intense workouts, beverages containing electrolytes can be a game changer. Pre- and post-workout nutrition is key. A balanced meal or snack before and after exercise can optimize energy levels and recovery. This usually includes a mix of carbohydrates and protein. Portion control is a biggie. Keeping an eye on portion sizes helps manage caloric intake and avoid overeating. Balanced meals are essential. A combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal can provide sustained energy throughout the day. Steer clear of highly processed foods. They usually contain excess sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, and they're typically not part of a fitness-focused diet. Supplements can be useful. Some individuals may opt for supplements like protein powder, creatine, or BCAA delays to support their fitness goals, but always consult with a healthcare professional before using them. Lastly, personalization is key. Fitness food should be tailored to individual goals, activity levels, and dietary preferences. What works for one person may not work for another. So there you have it. Fitness food is all about fueling your body with the right nutrients to support an active and healthy lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat, how much you eat, and how it fits into your overall lifestyle and fitness goals. Keep in mind, everybody is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. Make choices that feel good, fuel your body, and help you reach your fitness goals. Now, go out there and get fit.